Birdseye, this is Breach. How's the view?
Bird's eye to ground. The Vulture owns the sky. What's your status?
It's another quiet night in Istanbul.
Not anymore. Cipher to all stations. I have a signal. Our blackmailer is headed east, entering Sector 4.
Neon, this is Sova. Confirm you have target visual.
Yep, got him. They're entering... looks like a warehouse.
I see it. Ground team, collapse and converge on Sector 4.
Bird's eye en route. I'm descending to surveillance altitude.
Let's do this.
Closing the net.
Chamber to team, I am in sniper position, a neighboring rooftop northwest of the warehouse.
Do we have eyes inside?
No internal feed. This bird's little nest is off the grid.
Then we're in the right place. I'm scoping a skylight at the far corner. Possible access point.
Leave that to me.
Establish visual, then hold for team execute. Do not engage target.
Copy.
Cypher, how's the emergency chatter?
Nothing yet. We are ghost.
Cypher's with me at the south garage.
I've got north. Sova?
On the roof. Entering now.
Sova, you've dropped off my visual. A beacon lock is holding. You are go.
The eastern half is a warehouse. 10 aisles running north-south. Still no sign of target. I see offices on the western side. Empty. I'm moving in for drone recon.
Negative. Hold position. Sending Cypher in to join you.
Deploying drone now.
Negative, Sova. Hold position.
There's a corridor. Doors on each side.
Bird's eye to Sova. You are to hold your current position and wait for backup. Confirm order.
I'm entering the first office.
Yeah, Vlad.
He can't hear us.
Bird's eye to Sova. Do you read me? Sova, come in. Respond.
That is less than ideal.
Cypher, Neon. Advance to reestablish connection with Sova. Maintain stealth protocols.
Electric locks on the gates.
I got him.
Let's find our friend.
What was that?
You are both showing elevated vitals. I need a sit rep.
There's something in here, trailing us. What is that?
Cypher, watch out! I can't see!
Neon, where are you?
Cypher, Neon, report.
KO, we're blind in here.
Danger close! Danger close!
Hang on! I'm coming in!
Bird's eye to chamber. Do you have any visual?
Merde. Negative. Adjusting angle.
On your right!
Sova, come in.
On your right!
I can't move! Get it off me!
Another one incoming!
Chambers loaded. Call out my targets.
Breach is 8 o'clock. 10 meters!
Ah, direct hit. Oh, helvete!
Fall back! Fall back!
Moving up to reinforce. Covering!
Chamber, it's on you!
There! Get out of there!
Wait! There they are!
Where?
The target's on the run. They're outside.
Sending Vulture to auto. I'm going in.
KO negative. You're too high!
You are powerless. Freeze, hands in the air.
Don't move! Get them up! Now!
Target secured. He's down. We got her.
Hold on. She was alone?
She's a Radiant.
My scanner's picking up chatter. Police incoming.
Something about this feels off.
Of course it does. We didn't find the target. She brought us here.
You think it was a trap?
Hey, we have to move.
Order stand. Everyone rendezvous at the LZ. We're taking her back to base for interrogation. Move out.
seriously, tell us what's going on right now. Because me and the others, we're all seeing things like ghosts or something. Nightmare shit. Flicking lights, cold door handles. It's got us all twitchy. Ray's is freaking out. And you and Cypher keep doing these secret meetings. Every time you do, it gets all scary, man. So look, I get it. You handle the serious.
Revealing area. Revealing area.